Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can create a newspaper in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. We first need to open Microsoft Word. To go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Microsoft Word will appear under the best match, so you just need to simply click on that. Then click on the blank document. Now, here at the ribbon, you cannot find the option to insert any newspaper, or for the layout, there is no newspaper layout that we can use to directly go into it. But what we can do, we just need to simply click on the File tab right here. Then here you will find this option under Home. Click on New. And you will find this search for online templates. So click on the search bar and simply type newspaper. Then click on this search icon and you will find all the available newspaper templates. Now let's go with this traditional newspaper. You just need to simply click on that. Then you have to click on create, this one. And there you go. So what you can do is you just need to simply edit this newspaper. So this is already a newspaper, but for you to make this as your own newspaper, you have to edit this by putting your own stories or the current news for today, the current editorial. So what you can do in order to edit this, you just need to simply click on that. You have here for your banner, you just need to simply change that. You just need to click on that. For the photo, you can also change this. You just need to make a right click and then cut and then insert another photo. You can change the title of any other news and make or insert your own news. You can also change the date from here. So that's it. That's how you can easily create a newspaper in Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.